Lesson 21 deals with minor 6 chords. So really what we're doing there is we're taking a minor triad, 1 flat 3 5, and we're adding on the 6, so the 6th degree. So let's just look at that structure now. So we have C, up 3 half steps to get an E flat, up 4 half steps to get a G, and then up 2 half steps to get an A. The chord would sound like this. Right? And a C minor 6 chord can be used to substitute for a C minor chord or a C minor 7 chord, but only when it's a 1 chord. So for instance, if we had just a vamp that was going and we had a C minor 7th or a C minor chord, in that instance we could put the C minor 6th in. Alright. Another thing you could do is go back and forth, just like we did with the major 7 and the major 6. You could go between the minor 7 to major 6, minor 7, C minor 7 to C minor 6. Another way you could do that would be up here to do. You'll hear that kind of thing in like Santana's Evil Ways. You also hear that in a lot of Latin music. They go from a minor 7 to a minor 6. So, the other situation where you have a minor chord that you wouldn't want to use a minor 6 is if you had a 2-5-1. So let's say we had D minor to G7 to C minor. Alright? We wouldn't want to put a minor 6th in there because what happens is you can see the 6th degree of D minor is B, which is the 3rd of the G7 chord. So it almost sounds like rather than playing a 2 chord, you're just playing the dominant chord with the 5th in the bass. It's not important if you don't catch all this right now, but basically what I'm saying is if you're going to use a minor 6 chord as a replacement chord for a minor or a minor 7 chord, just make sure it's not that the chord's not built on the 2nd degree of the key center that you're in, or make sure it's not the 2 of a 2-5-1.